Welcome to Wolf-GIS Apex. In this demonstration video, we will show you how the drawing tools work. You may wish to draw over your map to plan and estimate, to communicate work to be done to your team, to place new features in a shapefile you are creating, or a myriad of other purposes. There are two methods of drawing in Apex, manual and GPS track. With the manual method, you place points over the map as desired to create your drawings. Points may be edited, that is, moved, deleted, and inserted, both during creation of your drawing and after you have saved it. GPS track-based drawing operates like a recorder. You start the tracking, pause and restart as needed, and save when done. You may not edit points during GPS track drawing creations. You may edit a saved GPS track drawing. If you draw for anything more than a temporary purpose, think of drawing as creating a new feature in a shapefile. All such data that you create on your phone or pad with Apex is saved in a local layer. A local layer is the onboard version of a server layer. You may upload local layers to the server, where they become server layers and may be shared as common shapefile formats. Apex provides full control of your local layers, including creation and editing of a local layer's feature data fields and data. See the Apex Basics Local Layers and Apex Advanced Local Layers videos for more information. You may associate unlimited date, timestamp photos, and notes to any drawing. These are default feature data fields automatically provided by Apex, accessed anytime after you save your drawing. Apex also automatically creates feature data fields listing dimensional data about each drawing you create. For point drawings, there's a latitude and a longitude field locating the point. For line drawings, there's a length field. For polygon drawings, there's a perimeter and an area field. You may not directly edit these dimensional data fields. They are automatically edited if you edit the drawing, and if you change the units of measure, the values are automatically recalculated and labeled. Let's create a drawing. If no layers are selected in the Map Layers control panel, which we will open, and touch to deselect the selected layer, the three drawing buttons are presented in the lower right corner of the display. From left to right, they are the point, line, and polygon drawing tools. If a local layer that you have previously drawn features in is selected, the drawing tool associated with the feature geometry for that layer is presented. Keep in mind that there may be only one type of feature geometry, point, line, or polygon in a layer. To manually draw a line, touch the middle line drawing button. Touch Manual. Note the target reticle that appears in the center of the map. This is where points will be placed when you touch the plus button. The map scrolls and zooms under the target reticle. Also note the manual drawing tools which appear across the bottom of the display. From left to right, they are Save, Deselect Point, Delete Point, Add Point, and Cancel the drawing process. The Save, Deselect Point, and Delete Point buttons are grayed out until you start placing points. I will place some points to create a line along this gravel road. If you wish to delete the last point placed, touch the minus button. If you wish to move a point that you've already placed, touch it. It will turn green, selected, and center itself under the target reticle. Simply slide the map to reposition the point and touch Deselect to complete the process. If you wish to add a point between two points, touch the first point. Touch plus. The new point is directly under the point you first touched, and it is selected. Slide the map to place the new point. Touch Deselect to complete the process. If you wish to delete an intermediate point, touch it to select it, and touch minus to delete it. Note the information at the top of the display. The units of the length of the line may be changed on the fly in the main menu. The latitude-longitude information is for the last point placed or selected point. When you have completed your drawing, touch Save. You may add this line feature to a new layer or an existing line feature layer. We will add it to a new layer. You may name your new layer. The feature data table is automatically opened for your new feature during the save process. You may name the feature and you may add unlimited date-time stamped notes and pictures to the feature. Here's an example of notes. The length field is fixed. Its units will change if you choose different ones in the main menu. Touch the Feature Data button at the bottom of the display to close that panel and deselect the feature. Open the Map Layers control panel. Note that your new local layer has been automatically placed in the panel and selected. Note that with this line featured local layer selected, only the line drawing tool is presented in the bottom of the display. You may perform all the standard selected layer and selected feature functions on a local layer. Let's style it. Change the color to red, increase the line width, and touch Apply. To edit your line drawing, select that feature in your local layer by touch, hold, or center of map. We'll use center of map. And the feature selected. Note that the line drawing tool is part of the tool set across the bottom of the display. It replaces the extract button present when a feature is selected from a server layer. Touch the line drawing tool to access the same set of drawing tools as when you first created the feature to edit it. We'll cancel the editing. Manual point and polygon drawings are made in the same manner. There is a slight logical variation in the nature of drawing tools for points. The plus button is grayed out after you place the point, for example. GPS track drawings make your drawing by tracking your phone or pad's movement, whether you are walking, riding, or driving. A special algorithm smooths the points and eliminates extras when traveling in a straight line. The target reticle does not have a function during GPS track drawings. Let's look at the GPS drawing tools across the bottom of the display. I will touch Drawing Tool, touch GPS. From left to right, they are Save, Record, and Cancel. Recording starts from your current location. While recording, the Record button is replaced with the Pause button. When paused, the Record button returns. Recording starts from your current location. You may find it useful to turn on Keep Map Centered on My Location, the left-hand button in the up group at the top right of the display, while making a GPS track drawing. Pause the drawing to enable the Save button. Here's an example of a GPS track drawing. I selected it from the Map Layers control panel, turn on its visibility, and zoom and scroll to show the whole drawing. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch all of the videos to see all the GIS power Apex puts into your mobile device.